Hello students, today our next topic is universal law of gravitation. So what is the universal law? We said that in last video that every object in the universe attract every other object. Clear? Every object in the universe attract every other object. So with the force, if force is there, then they can attract to each other. So which force is there in between bodies which are attracting to each other? That force is directly proportional. Force is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. See here, from here we will you can easily understand. Suppose two bodies are there, body A and body B of masses. One body is there whose mass is capital M, one body is there whose mass is small m, and they both are lying at a distance. Distance is between these two bodies. You can say R or you can say D, anything you can say. This distance is, but main thing what you have to keep in mind, that distance between the two bodies. It is R or D, anything you can write. Clear? So now we will say that we said that which force is there. Number one, force is directly proportional to the product of masses. Force is directly proportional. Force directly sign this, directly proportional to product of masses. Product of masses means this mass m and this is small m. It means m into m. This is our first equation. Second part is there, force is inversely proportional. Force is inversely proportional to the square of distance. Square of distance between them. When we are saying inversely proportional, then writing 1 by, okay, to the square of distance. What is the distance between these two bodies? It is R or D you can say, so it is a square, D square. Clear? Now combine 1 and 2. Combine 1 and 2, what we will get? F is directly proportional to m upon D square. So beta, when we are removing this proportionality sign, then we can write there any constant. Proportionality sign remove there, write equal to. We can write any constant. Here we will write G. G is called gravitational constant, or you can say proportionality constant of proportionality. So from here we can derive, we can find value of G also. D will come this side and multiply F into D square. M and M will come downside and divide, is equal to G. Okay, G is equal to force into D square of distance divided by product of masses. So if we want to find SI units of gravitational constant, force units, you know, Newton. This is a D is a distance, units of distance meter, so here distance square, meter square, and units of mass, kilogram. 2 times mass is there, so these are kilogram square. Okay, so units of G, Newton meter square per kilogram square. So value of G is there, you as it is you have to learn what is the value of G. So value of capital G is 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Backside we will write units which we have calculated Newton meter square per kilogram square. Clear to all?